of the football team.
Greg, are you ready? Greg,
Yes.
are you ready? A fast one.
Oh, my nose. Oh, my nose. Mom, Dad, Marcia broke her nose.
Marcia, are you okay?
My nose, I think it's broke.
I guess you'll never be a teen model now.
Mom, Dad!
There's nothing like the first cup of coffee in the morning.
Just remember, Carol, wherever you are, you'll always be there.
Mom, I'll never be a teen model now.
Marcia, it's not so bad.
Greg, let's play ball.
Okay, Bobby.
Bobby, over here. Okay, Peter. You throw it back to Bobby. Peter, over here. Okay, Bobby. Peter, over here. Oh.
There's nothing like the second cup of coffee in the morning.
Mom's favorite vase is broken. Mom always said never play ball in the house.
There's nothing like the 47 cup of coffee in the morning.
Do you think Mom's ever going to know the vase is broken? She always said never to play ball in the house. I don't think she'll know.
She never noticed that I dyed my hair.
Shut up, Cindy. And why do I have to wear glasses?
Because you're blind.
Everybody's going to laugh at me.
No one's gonna laugh at you. You'll see. Put the glasses on, Jan. See, it's not so bad. Kids, come in here, please.
Why do I have to wear glasses and Marcia doesn't?
Because Marcia's not blind.
Marcia, Marcia, Marcia.